You're not stuck because you're unlucky. You're stuck because you're soft. Every time you pick comfort over action, you train your body to lose. Identifying soft habits. You know exactly what your soft habits are. Snoozing your alarm 6 times. Scrolling TikTok for just 5 minutes. Opening YouTube to learn, but watching interviews instead of executing. Saying you're planning when you're really just delaying. Resting when you haven't earned fatigue. Comfort food. Comfort content. Comfort routines. These things don't just slow you down. They train your brain to avoid pain. And that's how losers are built. One soft decision at a time. The damage they do. Every soft habit chips away at your edge. You think skipping one task doesn't matter? It does. It tells your brain, we don't follow through. You think over-resting helps recovery? No, it just makes your threshold for pain even lower. You're not just wasting time, you're training softness as a default setting. So when real pressure hits, when life demands strength, you crack. Not because you're weak, but because you built weak habits over and over and called them balance. Reframe. Hard habits exalt power. Hard habits hurt, and that's exactly why they work. Waking up early isn't fun, but it teaches you that you run your life, not comfort. Training when you're tired, working when you're unmotivated, saying no to junk food, junk dopamine, junk routines, that's where confidence is built. Not from hype, from doing hard things on days you don't want to. You don't become powerful by staying comfortable. You become powerful by outsuffering your old self. And the truth is, discipline doesn't restrict you. It frees you from the chains of weakness. Final challenge. You're not tired, you're just undisciplined, you're not burned out, you're untrained to face resistance. If your life feels like it's stalling, it's because your daily choices are built for safety, not progress. You don't need more time. You need to kill one soft habit. Today, stop hitting snooze. Stop doom scrolling. Stop saying, I'll start Monday. Start today. Start tired. Start uncomfortable. Because your soft habits are why you're losing. And if you don't kill them, they'll kill who you were supposed to become. Additional push. You think staying in bed an extra hour is harmless? It's a ritual. And it's rewriting your identity. You think scrolling for a dopamine hit doesn't cost you? It does. In confidence, in clarity, in control. Soft habits don't just delay success, they rot the spine of your discipline. And the people winning? They're not better than you. They've just learned to do the hard thing when no one's watching, over and over, until it's who they are. You don't need to be motivated. You need to be dangerous to your own excuses. Soft habits feel safe, but they quietly bury the version of you that could have made it. So cut the softness, delete the excuse. Replace the comfort ritual with a commitment ritual. Get used to discomfort, crave it. Because if you can suffer on purpose, no pressure in this world can break you.